Hello friends. Today I will tell you about natural treatments and home remedies for E. coli infection. It is known that the E. coli infection normally is living in the intestines of healthy people and animals. The most varieties of E. coli are harmless or they cause relatively brief diarrhea, but there are few particularly nasty strains, such as E. coli O157:H7 which can cause vomiting, bloody diarrhea and severe cramps. You may be exposed to E. coli from contaminated water or food, especially the raw vegetables and the undercooked ground beef. Usually, healthy adults recover from infection with E. coli O157:H7 in a period of week. But older adults and young children have increased risk of developing a life-threatening form of kidney failure which is known as hemolytic uremic syndrome. The most common causes for E. coli infection include the contaminated food, such as fresh produce, unpasteurized milk, ground beef, the contaminated water and personal contact. It is noticed that young children and older adults are having increased risk of experiencing illness caused by E. coli and more serious complication from the infection. People who have weakened immune system from AIDS or drugs to treat cancer or prevent the rejection of organ transplants are having increased chances of getting E. coli infection. You need to talk with your doctor if you suffer from E. coli infection before you use some of the below mentioned home remedies, so in this way you can avoid side effects. The E. coli is very contagious, so if you suffer from E. coli infection, you need to stay isolated from other people. In this way, you can avoid of transferring this bacteria to other people, like your family, friends and people in your work and school. Here are some home remedies for E. coli infection. Here are some home remedies for E. coli infection. Number 1. Honey. There was one study in 2011 in which was shown that honey can kill approximately 60 kinds of bacteria. Also, it was suggested that it can kill the E. coli. This home remedy has natural antibiotic properties which can help you to treat the symptoms of E. coli infection. It is very important to use raw local honey for maximum benefits. Number 2. Garlic. We know that the garlic is long recognized for its preventive and curative properties all around the world. There are some studies in which are shown that the garlic can be effective home remedy against many forms of bacteria, including E. coli. You can use garlic as your home remedy for E. coli infection. It has natural antibiotic properties which can help you to treat the symptoms which you feel. You should use garlic press to press a clove of garlic onto spoon and cover it with small amount of raw honey and swallow it. Number 3. Clove. There are some studies in which are shown that clove can be used in the dental procedures. It has been shown that clove water extract can be effective against many different kinds of bacteria, including E. coli. You can use it as your home remedy for E. coli infection, but you need to talk with your doctor about it. He will tell you which the best way for using it is. Number 4. Tips for swimming. Many people want to swim, but it has been shown that the E. coli can be taken from the water. It is very important to not swallow or get water in your mouth while you are swimming. It is very important to take a shower before and after swimming. You should not swim when you have diarrhea. If you are swimming with your children, then it is very important to get them to frequent bathroom breaks. It is very important to change diapers in changing rooms, not on the beach or poolside. You should wash your hands after changing diapers. Number 5. Oregano. There are some doctors who believe that the oregano can boost the immune system because it acts as antioxidant. Also, It can have anti-inflammatory properties. There should be done a lot more studies in the future to approve or disapprove if this home remedy can be used for the treatment of E. coli infection, so you should talk with your doctor about the best way of using it. Number 6. Goldenseal. There are some studies in which are said that the Goldenseal can be used as home remedy for the treatment of E. coli infection. It is usually taken in form of capsule or tea. This home remedy has berberine, which is an important natural antibiotic. You can buy Goldenseal at local stores or you can purchase online, but you need to talk with your doctor about the best way of using it. Number 7. Echinacea. Native Americans have been using the echinacea as home remedy for treating infections and wounds. There are some studies in which are shown that echinacea can be used as home remedy for E. coli. You need to talk with your doctor which is the best way of using it and how much of it you should consume. Number 8. Apple cider vinegar. There are some studies in which are shown that the apple cider vinegar kills 98% of all germs due to its antiseptic, antiviral and antifungal properties. Also, it can tackle E. coli. You should mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of water. You should add honey because in this way you will have better taste. You should drink this home remedy. You can repeat this natural treatment several times per day because it can help with the symptoms of E. coli infection. Please note, these remedies may not be suitable for everyone, so you should select one that suits you, and if required, kindly consult your doctor. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.